Now you're probably asking yourself, Connor, can you just show us how to cook something easy? And I'm here to tell you that this is actually very simple. Today, we're making fish and chips. I did this one night in 20 minutes. It's very simple. We are going to get our wet dredge going. So this is just 2 cups of flour. You're gonna do 1 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, some all-purpose seasoning, just a couple pinches of salt, a couple pinches of pepper. This is just an amber ale. You're gonna pour this in. Start with about half of that, and then about a half cup of sparkling water. And now you're just gonna whisk this up. By the way, you guys like the new chef's jacket? We're frying today, so my wife is a little tired of trying to get stains out of my nice shirts. Okay, that's perfect. Now you're gonna put that to the side. Now go grab your fish. This is just cod. You can ball out and get halibut. You can do really whatever fish you want. It's fish and chips, make it your own. Now that you got your fish and your knife, you're just gonna portion this out however big or however small you want your fish and chips. So I'm just gonna cut that portion off. 3 little, 4 little, 5 little fish and chippers. Well, that's a big one right there. That's beautiful. Okay, now that was a lot of work, right? So now you know, have a little sip of your leftover amber ale. Now you're gonna take your little fish and chippers and you're just gonna coat them in some flour and then put them in your wet dredge. All right, so you got your fish in your wet batter and you're just gonna stir this all around. Make sure they're all evenly coated. Now we're gonna cut up some potatoes for the fries. Shout out to Bree and Garrett for my new knife. It's easy, look how easy that was. Cut that up. If you really don't wanna do that, just go get some frozen fries, be just fine. All right, you got your fish in the wet dredge. You got your fries all cut up. You got your oil heating up to 350. And now, well, that's doing that, we're gonna make a little tartar sauce. And again, you're probably asking yourself, oh, no, I don't wanna make tartar sauce. I'm telling you, it's super easy, and I'm gonna prove it to you, because my son, Cohen Jett, is going to help make it. We're gonna set the little man up here. So I already measured him out, a cup or so of mayonnaise, okay? That's your base. Now, Cohen, once you pour in the lemon juice, that's like 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Beautiful. A couple tablespoons of the dill relish. Yep, a couple tablespoons of that. Perfect, okay. Now, perfect, okay. Do a couple tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Now just stir it up. So you kind of have to play around with this one, but look it, super easy. Now we're just gonna start by cooking your fries. There's really nothing much I can talk about here, just that you just gotta get your oil to 350 and fry away. About golden brown like that. Put them on your tray over here. Don't salt them quite yet, because you're gonna fry them one more time. And now, same oil. Make sure your fish and chips are coated nicely in the batter. And you're just gonna pop that in like so. Cooking and cooking. Look at that color. Come on. Now that's probably a good color right there, so you're gonna take those out. And I shouldn't say probably, because that is a very nice color. You're gonna take your fish and chips out, and you don't want to overcook your fish. Or if you like overcooked fish, cook them longer. This is you. This is all yours. I'm just showing you what I do. And wife is in the shot. Everyone, wife is in the shot. Now you got your fish and chips done. Now, I think the ticket to a crispy fry is to then fry them again. We are gonna call that good. Nice color. Those should be pretty crunchy. Now right away, before they cool down, you're gonna wanna put these in a bowl. Salt these up, as much salt as you would like. Love is in this food. You're done. Let's go plate up. Why the fries first? Okay, my producer's saying fries first. It's your fish and chippers. There you go. There you have it. There you have it, folks. We're almost there, I promise. Homemade, classic fish and chips done the right way, okay? Now, let's get our food tester you saw in the last video over here. Go ahead. Yep. Ooh, you guys hear that crunch? That was great. And as always, thank you for watching. Comment below on what recipes you want to see us cook next. We'll see you next time.